be careful pag sinabi ko sa publiko ngayon. Yan talaga. Pag sinabi kong sipain kita sa publiko, sisipain talaga kita. Very unsettling kasi sa akin yan after making that passionate and solemn promise that everything sa airport, lalo na sa maliit na tao. Para sa akin, kung ninakawan yung mga bag nila ni Lusutan, pati ni Hayaan, Ayala. But the problem is we're trying to protect. That is why we are here. And I am here also in front of you because of my promise. Whatever be the motivations, or either political or pretended sentiment, but I want the small guy protected. And lahat naman tayo in this table, walang anak ng mayaman sa atin dito. We are here because we really did a lot of sacrifice in life. Tiis tayo. Kaya ako sensitive dyan sa maliliit na tao. Maski sa Davao, nandito man si John La Peña, everybody who had the chance to sojourn there, sensitive ako sa maliit na tao. As a matter of fact, kung yung fiscal ako, may mga nakaw-nakaw lang na pagkain, pati damit, ako na mismo ang nagbabayad doon sa complainant just to, well, satisfaction of being offered to somebody na walang-wala. Itong nangyari kahapon, I would demand that there will be justice instant. Kung sino yung service provider dyan, you terminate the contract and look for another one. And so for the other airports in the country. I do not want it repeated ever again. Mahala na yung sabihin na nag-import kayo ng tractor dyan. I could even just look the other way around. Just like itong sa police, itong nasa gobyerno, don't ever tinker with drugs because talaga yayariin kita. And so, itong nandito, people must see clearly that even to the small man, Filipino, there is justice for him. So, I would also demand that the airport authorities should call the complainant and make amends. Maybe in public, to apologize for the sloppy job that we are doing. Matagal na kasi ito Panahon pa ito nung, I don't know if you know me. Taga-probinsya lang ako, pero hindi naman ako nagpapayabang. Be careful pag sinabi ko sa publiko ngayon. Yan talaga. Pag sinabi kong sipain kita sa publiko, sisipain talaga kita. That's all. Even during sa college sublo na, pag sinabi kong barilin kita, babarilin talaga kita. And itong napupundin ako, lalo na sa maliit na tao. Yung score na yun, I don't know who's that, sino yan, di mo sa kanila yan. Better go quietly. Do not create a ruckus there because do not beg for trouble with us. Because I'm just trying to be true to my promise. So any and all sa airport, inyo yan. The next time, if it happens, I will fire you. Sigurado Basta may nangyari pa uli, na baskin ako, I will fire you. And kung sa customs aid, you might want to be strict. Ako, I can understand because you're raising funds for government. Pero yung mga OFW, galing Saudi, galing, hindi mag-smuggle niya, port of origin, port of entry. It's very hard to, and even then, we already have enough problems about only to sa Cebu, tapos watching them enter. Unless ang akin is really the terrorism and the drug that goes with it. Now, kung meron tayong information about the link of drugs and terrorism, that's the time that we can always baski i-backlash yung but po yung ordinary, balikbayan yung mga ganon, nangyari kahapon, umiiyak. But it breaks my heart. But I've seen that situation many times over also the many years that I've been traveling as a civilian and as a mayor and congressman and a vice mayor. Nasasaktan talaga ako dyan kasi yung maliliit na tao, ilang they sacrifice. Alam ninyo yan, na the women, especially in Kuwait, they are being raped, and to date, there are four Filipinas who killed, committed suicide. Ganon kahirap yan. You know why? Well, I'll tell you. I was there once upon a time to save also not the life, but the freedom of mga taga-Davao na huli. So, selling groceries. Sinabi talaga sa akin, kapag sabihan mo yung prangkahan, sabi ko, di sige, na alam mo, there are tribes or sub-tribes in the Arab states na pag ikaw ang binili sa slave markets of Africa or in the Middle East, or you are a paid servant, rape includes dimino sa service mo sa amo mo. Kaya yung mga yan, hindi na nakatiis. Ang unang mag-rape niyan, yung amo niya. Then yung mga kapatid, pati yung mga anak. Ganun na lang ako, kaya ako putang inenrogan yan, pinapatay ko yan. I'll make it public to you, over and over again. Papatayin talaga kita. Kasi kung ano-ano pinagdaanan ng mga nanay, pati tatay niya doon, tapos ganunin mo lang mga anak niya pagdating dito, please check. Yung pera na pag-aral nila. Ganon ang look at it at this in my dimension and perception. Kaya ako galit. Kala ko pinapatay ko talaga yan. Totoo yan. Pero punta na the injustice that you commit. Then you create 4 million slaves in this country, addicted to drugs and being slave to it every day of their life. Kaya ngayon yung inspection, nahuli ba itong app? Ilan sila nagdagaw?
Alin po, sir?
They are now under arrest?
Na-demanda na po namin.
Detained?
Nagpiyasa po ata.
How were they discovered to have committed the crime?
Ang YASCOR po at naatasan natin mag-conduct ng investigation dahil alam natin na empleyado nila ang nakakakita lang sa bagahe. So madali pong napaamin. Inamin namin nila sa investigasyon. So kinabukasan, nag-file po kami ng, pina-terminate na namin po at the same time, pinademanda.
Patayin mo na lang. Takin mo lang yung pulis doon. Marami yan dyan. Patayin mo na lang. Para malaman ng tao na yun ang...
Ito po, sir, itong... Yung pong...
So I deeply apologize. We will pay whatever you lost.
Nabayaran na, sir.
Ha?
Binayaran po yung lahat.
Ay, putang yan na yung digo-digo to. Walang ariglo dyan. Pag hindi, parang nga ako kaya, kung hindi ninyong gawin, ako ang papatay dyan. Isasalpis ka, tingnan. Putang ina, sinabi na nga, wag. Bimot talaga sa Amscor na miss ka, man. Gusto nyo kayong pumatay niya, kaya pag hindi kayo ang bibirahin ko. Pilipino hindi matuto pag hindi mo ginanon eh. Or they continue to do it unless you put a stop to it. And I would not hesitate to take you out. Total, marami na lang rin akong kaso dyan. Dagdagan ko na lang. Dinaligo naman ako, basa na ako, maliligo tayo nito. I want government, whoever is the spokesman, I don't care anybody of you here connected with to make a public apology. And sino yung nandyan in charge kayo mag-raise ng amount? You pay the... At kung may isa pa, pati ang warning the police also, pag may isa, ipapakain ko talaga sa inyo in public. Sid General Peña was my regional director and chief of police for the longest time. Ipalunok ko talaga sa yung bala. Total, lalabas man rin niya. Mabarningan mo talaga yung mga pulis. Ninyo ako. Do not fuck with government. Hirap ng ang tao. At saka yung drive ko po against corruption, pantay kayo dyan. Even if maamoy ko lang, hindi ko na kailangan, I would not go into the length of finding out. Even a whiff of corruption, you go. Ayaw mo magsuplado ka, nasa sa iyo yan. You want a legal method of doing it? Resign or not. Galing ako ng lugar ng Mindanao, puro, wala kaming nalaman ng solusyon, patayan. Ayan, ang dala-dala ko dito sa presidency ko. Wala man akong alam na ibang solusyon. Yung police na 49 po, kailan ba yun? Katagal naman. I will be firing two. Sinong who attempted it?
Wala, hindi na nila nakita kasi nasira na yung isang lock.
You know, at this time, the state of the art is so high na the price is so low that you can go anywhere in dyan sa Avenida and you can buy cameras. Lagyan ninyo kamera pati yung puwit ng tao kung tumatay. Everywhere. Except yung women's washroom. Maglagay kayo dyan ng isang security guard. Naman isang security guard 24 hours. And the cleaning should be done not hourly, after each use. Matatamad-tamaran niya. I've been a very observant guy ever since. Mayor kasi ako, so tinitignan ko lang lahat. But for the 23 years that I've been there, I could almost see how the Philippines is being. Kaya pili-pili ko yung tao. Hindi ko naman kayo kilala, actually. I could have replaced all of you to pay my political debts, but I do not do that. At nanalo na naman kasi ako, walang utang na loob sa malalaking. Kaya kung ninakawa niya si Lucio Tan pa isang aeroplano, hayaan mo. Yung maliliit na tao. Sinasabi, sino ang punoto sa akin? Not because namulitika ako. Who voted to me to office? Pero yung tao, yung mahirap. Why? Because I was carrying the message. I wanted corruption, drugs, crime. Yun lang naman. Huwag kayong mabiktima dyan kasi, you know, when we goes to a head, mili kayo. Remember that I do not owe anybody here except pati ito si Evangelista. Used to be the airport policeman. Ayan, tanungin mo. Buti pinapak. Napo.